This little video is going to walk you through the steps of logging into the St. David's iPad's website and posting a app review. So first I've circled the URL. This is the URL is the same one that I sent with an email today, so you should have it in your mailbox, so I won't read it out loud. Once you're on this page, please scroll down all the way to the bottom left and you'll see the link that says sign in. When you click that, you'll get this page. Enter your work email and then your network password, which many of us changed today to be welcome and then our first two initials, and then click sign in. Once you've done that correctly, this is a little zoom in, you'll see this yellow box that says to sign in with this account, click continue, and then you'll see a button that says continue. That's because there's two levels of verification. Google approves your email address and your password, and then it's sent to the St. David's server, and you have to just type your stuff in one more time. So you click continue, then you get this window. Now you just type your username and your password. It's similar to when you check your work email at home on the internet, and then click OK. Now you are fully logged in, and it will take you to the website. You'll notice in the top right, you'll see your St. David's email address, and then below that you'll see buttons for create page, edit page, and more actions. However, if you look down by the yellow arrow to the left, to the bottom left, you don't need to use those buttons in order to post a review or an integration idea. You simply just click that new post button, which is part of the design, so you don't have to edit the page. Just click that button and you'll get a field for the title and a field for the body of your post. And if you'd like to work from a template, I posted a template on the page called Miscellaneous Ideas and Tips. So you can just click new post, either cut and paste the template or just start writing, and that's all you have to do. Then you click save in a window. It's a pretty simple tool. I'd also like you to notice that I did add the page called Apps at a Glance, and I circled it there in the navigation. If you click on that, you'll get to this really simple little grid. It shows right now that there's only one review. I wrote it on whatever day. It doesn't really fall into any discipline and it's not recommended. Every time you write a review, I'd ask you to please click add item and just add that line so that everyone knows what you've done, and they can check it out and they can see if you want any more opinions on it, and they also know not to write a duplicate review of that same app. One last thing I'd recommend for that same reason of knowing when people post things and what people are working on is to click more actions and then choose subscribe to site changes from the list, and you'll get an email when the site has been updated. Okay, thanks.